Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a repair video for Miss Diane Devito. Here you can see our damaged shingle. Got some creasing at the top. And I did notice that the shingle does seem to end here. You can see the seam is right there. So I did do the liberty of marking it for myself just to make my job a whole lot easier. It is 59 degrees on this lovely Sunday morning. Over here on the sister slopes, you can see that she has been getting hit as well. And you can see her gutter ain't looking too good, just hanging on there by a thread. So she has been getting hit pretty hard over here on this back end. All right, before we get started, just wanted to show you guys what this shingle area does look like before. Let's get a better look. This is before the repair. All right, let me go ahead and put this on the tripod. Make sure you guys got a good view. Alright, so the tools I'm going to be using for this repair is a standard crowbar with a P-hook on the end. I personally like this tool. It allows me to take the nails out of the shingle without lifting it more than you really have to. Then you got your hammer that we're going to be using to nail the shingles back in. And you also have your roof snake that we're going to be using to put those nails back in. So this just allows us to lift it no more than 40 degrees. Really love this tool. Just slide the nails right in there and just hammer away. All right, let's go ahead and start by unsealing this damaged shingle. So notice as I cut away from the tar line, I keep my palm down on the shingle I'm cutting away, and I keep my fingers on the shingle above it, never the same shingle. All right, got that first shingle. All right, on to the next row. Giving a little bit of a hard time. Got it. All right. And again, I keep my palm down, not lifting the shingle up too high. Palm down, keep my fingers on the shingle above it, never the same shingle. All right, last row, guys. All right. Just give me a little bit of a hard time. Got it. All right, that is all the shingles that we're going to be unsealing. All right, so let's go ahead and start by removing the shingles to conduct this repair. Notice as I lift the shingle up, I'm lifting it no more than 40 degrees. Keep my thumb on the shingle and my fingers high as I can. If I need rest, I just keep it on the shingle above it. It's going with this P-hook, just like that. Again, I'm lifting the shingle no more than 40 degrees here. Keep my thumb on the shingle I'm lifting only, and then I keep my fingers in the air. If I need to rest them, I just keep them on the shingle above. Going there, one hand again. All right, so that's that row. Go ahead and finish up the last row. All right, so that should be all the nails that we need to conduct this repair. Let's go ahead and remove that damaged shingle. Oh, looks like you missed one. Yep, right here. All right. Ooh, a little windy. So we got our damaged shingle right here. As you can see, this is the damaged shingle. All right. I got my replacement shingle. Just let me go get it right there at the gutter. So this is the new shingle we're going to be installing. Let's go ahead and start by conducting this repair. All right, now that we got our new shingle on, we're gonna go ahead and start by nailing it. Got our trusty roof snake. Again, this tool allows us to lift the shingle no more than 40 degrees. I am gonna be putting the nails in new places. All right, go ahead and start on this right side. And I'm not hitting too hard, just enough to get the nail in. Alright, so I am starting to see some granule loss occurrence as I do this repair. Just wanted to let that be known. And again, when I lift up the shingle, I'm not lifting it more than 40 degrees. Got my thumb lifting up the shingle, fingers up in the air. If needed, I rest my fingers on the shingle above it. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I am seeing a lot of granule loss just from conducting this repair. All right, so now that we got our new shingle in, let's go ahead and get a closer look. So we got our new shingle. This is the new shingle we installed, and these are the shingles above it. So what I am noticing, like I was mentioning, a lot of granule loss, creasing at the top, granule loss, same thing. Yeah, just running into the same issues all across the shingles. So if we conduct this repair all the way up, this is going to keep running into the same same issue. A lot of granule loss. Shingles are just going to keep getting damaged. So I'm going to go ahead and deem this repair a fail. As you can see, you got all this granule loss over here at the top. And again, this was just for me hammering in the nail with a nail in too hard. So this is going to be deemed a fail repair, unfortunately. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video. You guys stay blessed.